awesome.
Oh, you look amazing. Did you like my dress?
Yes.
Jerry Reed. Hi, Jerry. You're the love of my life. Standing here today, I'm so filled with appreciation and most importantly, love. I'm so proud of the life we're building together, and to think about what to come overwhelms me with so much happiness. You're the one person that always brings out the best in me. This crazy thing called life is busy, but thank you for constantly reminding me of the important things that come along with it. For the not so perfect days, and for the perfect ones too, I know with each other we'll be just fine. Never in a million years did I think I would find someone so caring, thoughtful, and down to earth like you.
1, 2, 3, you can open.
We're so lucky to have the families we do, and I'm so grateful for a man to take care of me and love me like my dad.
Oh, beautiful, Tori.
Oh, you look so nice.
You look so good. Oh.
I've never seen
Okay.
that cry before. I promise to encourage you to achieve everything I know you're capable of, and to continue to grow along with you always. I promise to always be by your side and support you even when you're grumpy about your golf game. I promise to love you in all of the good times and the bad, because when you find the one, you never give up. I love you so much, and I'm so excited to be your wife.
Tori, I know I struggle to open up and share things with you, but I promise I'll spend the next few minutes trying my absolute best to do just that. Despite how it may appear on the outside, I do feel things, lots of things about you. I will make it my life's goal to make sure that you feel comfortable, confident, and happy, like your true self. I also promise that this is not a one-time sharing. There are two very simple truths in my life, and you should hear them forever and always, but especially today. One is that I love you more than anything in this world. And the other is that you are my best friend. I call upon these persons here present
to witness that I, Jerry Reed, do take you, Victoria Mueller, to be my lawful wedded wife for life. I promise to stand by your side as your husband and as your best friend.
I call upon
These persons here present to witness that I, Victoria Mueller,
do take you, Jerry Reed,
to be my lawful wedded husband for life.
I promise to stand by your side as your wife and your best friend.